name's Chloe and I'm here to talk about mental health and the impact mental health has had on me and my community at large.
Things like attending events for Time to Change Wales give me purpose, and that purpose outweighs some of those thoughts.
I experienced quite a bit of early years trauma, but now age 56 I consider myself to be quite a fairly successful person in society as a result of counselling and therapies and other things as well. But it was just a chance encounter at a mental health event that I went to, that there was a Time to Change Wales champion there, and I asked them what the campaign was about and they explained, and I thought I could do that. And 4.5 years later I'm still doing it, and I'm very proud to be doing it.
Hi, my name is Rhys. I'm a librarian at Morriston Hospital in Swansea. I attended the Time to Change Wales session because I wanted to be able to challenge mental health stigma within the little corner of the NHS that I work in. I was very much conscious that I have a responsibility of line managing a small team, so really wanted to set an example and feel confident to talk about mental health. I really enjoyed the session. The presenters were really knowledgeable, and even though it was virtual, it was really interactive with lots of quizzes. The standout takeaway for me was from the video that we watched, where one of the speakers talked about opening up to someone and that person being prepared to listen without necessarily trying to fix or problem solve. So that's definitely something that I took away with me.
So we put the Time to Change pledge into action at Mae'r by embedding mental wellbeing into absolutely everything that we do.
Because it's so much part of our DNA, it's something that just happens here.
The most exciting one, I think, was when we got Nigel Owens to come in. He was brilliant. Important for us because we weren't reaching out to the men in our organisation, and that was something that we felt was really important.
It's been beneficial for me personally to engage in more conversations with people. So us leading a healthier lifestyle, Mellin's support in that, and as I've said, a wide range of initiatives has been absolutely brilliant.